case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case that challenged the fairness of the law itself, Margie Montgomery Hi-len, a car accident victim, staged an uphill battle appealing a verdict that shielded the driver, despite clear evidence of his negligence. Hilen sustained severe injuries in an accident caused by Keith Hayes, the driver, who had intoxicated himself. At issue was whether Hilen's alleged contributory negligence for riding with an inebriated driver should completely bar her from compensation. In an unexpected turn, the trial judge asked the jury solely to consider Hilen's contributory negligence. The subsequent verdict fell in Hayes's favor, causing Hilen to plea for a fairer system, the doctrine of comparative negligence. Rejecting her plea, the courts allowed the status quo to prevail, forcing Hilen to take her fight to the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals upheld the lower court's decision, affirming the contributory negligence doctrine, where Hilen was held entirely responsible for her own injuries. Undeterred, she continued her legal journey, appealing the decision and breathing life into a landmark case. Challenging centuries-old jurisprudence and standing up against powerful legal precedents was not taken lightly by the courts. The case became a balancing act, putting on scales the historical development and acceptance of contributory negligence defense, the role of precedent, legislative authority, and the fundamental fairness of the legal system. The court, in a turning point, ruled in favor of Hilen, establishing that the rule of comparative negligence would replace contributory negligence as a complete defense. The decision echoed the call for justice, stating that courts possess the capacity for growth and adaptation and should reform unjust rules. They determined that the law should appoint the fact finder with the responsibility of assigning fault percentage, and the court should decide the total damages. The case was sent back to the trial court for retrial, following the newfound legislation. This groundbreaking decision was supported by the Chief Justice and 4 other judges, cementing its place as a pivotal change in common law. However, 2 judges disagreed with the majority, hinting at the contentious nature of the debate. The dissenting voices promised to pen their own reasons for upholding the status quo, painting a vivid image of a legal system constantly wrestling with itself over the definition of fairness.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.